I've been taking supplements since I was 14 years old. I finally discovered the number one supplement company that I have ever taken any products from. Since taking their products, my strength has increased, my stamina has improved, and my sleep metrics have improved significantly, and I track my sleep metrics with my Oura Ring. The name of this company that I purchased these supplements from is called Do Not Age. Do Not Age stands out because they make sure all their supplements are independently tested by third-party labs. And by sharing the third-party test results, they are not only building trust with their consumers like me, but they're also ensuring that we are confidently taking supplements that are pure and have ingredients inside of them that they say they do. In the following video, I am going to answer these two questions for you. How NMN, which is this product here, can increase health span, and number two, what is health span? First, I want to define what health span is. Health span refers to the period of a person's life in which the years of their life are healthy, free from chronic diseases, and they're able to maintain their physical and mental well-being. Unlike lifespan, which refers to how many years one's going to live, health span emphasizes the quality of someone's years. This is incredibly important to me because we can live many decades now, but those last 10 to 20 years of our lives, our health and our ability to do the things we love rapidly declines, which is why I have built a membership called Years Younger. I am dedicated to helping individuals' lifespan not be not so great for the last 20 years of their life, where you're unable to do the things that you love, pain-free and stress-free. So in that context, I'm learning as many things as I can that can create the health span for an individual to be up to peak performance for the people that I love in my family, myself, and my friends, and my clients. So without further ado, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this product that I have in front of me that I've been taking during a period of incredibly high stress in my life. So I started taking this during the launch of my membership, which was a pretty significant amount of work that I put forth for that. NAD is something that I'm going to speak to you about in terms of what this product, NMN, is used for. NAD can improve health span by increasing the amount of bioavailable NAD in our cells and enhance energy processes in our bodies. What is NAD? NAD is a critical coenzyme that is found in every cell of our body. NAD is responsible for over 300 cellular functions in our body, from DNA repair to cellular senescence to proper immune system function, which I know quite a bit about. And NAD is a central regulator of metabolism. Metabolism is your body's ability to convert food into energy. Metabolism also includes repairing damage, sensing DNA damage, the ability to convert one set of molecules into another set of molecules, and to make androgens from food for our bodies, hormones. Restoring muscles after a workout is another function of our metabolism. When we age, NAD levels decrease, and the levels of the major organs such as the heart, the liver, the skeletal muscles, and the neurons are all affected by having lower NAD. It has been shown that by age 50, we have about 50% less NAD in our bodies than we did when we were young. Clinical research in aging has also shown that boosting NAD levels by supplementation with NAD precursors such as NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NR, nicotinamide riboside, reduces age decline of muscle strength and increases both lifespan and health span. We'll link this research below if you're interested in reading more. In order to obtain all the benefits, we also need to talk about these NAD precursors that are bioavailable to our neurons. Vitamin B3, aka niacin, is not readily available for these processes to work. Research linked below has shown that NMN, one of the various molecules in the precursors of NAD, does support our body's energy processes. NMN specifically, has been shown to repair cellular damage and even the cellular damage due to something like chemotherapy. NMN has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory functions, which can help relieve oxidative stress and can alter inflammatory responses. The studies we link below contribute to the growing body of evidence that support NMN's role in enhancing NAD levels and its potential therapeutic benefits concerning aging and metabolic health. Because of this, what I've been learning is that I can have more agency over how I age. I can also inform my family members, my friends, and my audience about the various supplements that I take, the exercises I do, the types of actions I take each and every day to stay years younger. We no longer have to allow aging to be a disease because science is discovering molecules that exist naturally in our human body and when supplemented with can assist us in looking younger, feeling stronger, and healthier as the days and the years go by. Join me in discovering new advancements in health and science and subscribe to my channel. And please watch the next video I have on how to engage your abdominals effectively. Bye for now.